One reason why Notepad++ is so popular is simply because it has a lot of features that you would find in big code editors. My name is Yadullah, you're watching Candid.Technology, and in this video we're talking about how you can remove duplicate lines in Notepad++.
It's a common occurrence that when you're working with a very big text file or with a very big file of code, you might see multiple duplicate lines in it. To remove them, all you have to do is head over to Edit, go to Line Operations, and click on Remove Duplicate Lines. Let me show you that again. So head over to Edit, go back to Line Operations, and then click the Remove Duplicate Lines option right here. As you can see, I have got 4 lines of duplicate text here. So if I head over to Edit, Line Operations, Remove Duplicate Lines, the new file removes all of those duplicates. Keep in mind that it removes the second iteration of the duplicate, so not the first one. And if your duplication removal process requires slightly more complicated things, you can use regex queries in the Find and Replace section for Notepad++. So just click this binocular icon right here and then click the Replace tab. Now you can enter your regex query here. So whatever complicated regex query that you have for looking for an instance of a line, replace it with nothing and then click Replace or Replace All as per your requirement. And that's how you quickly remove duplicates in Notepad++.
If you like these videos, consider subscribing, give us a thumbs up, press the bell icon, and tell us in the comment section below what more such content can we make for you. If you want to know more about tech, visit our website, Candid.Technology, follow us on social media, follow me on Instagram or Twitter, and we'll see you in the next video.